Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful Victorian aesthetic home decor inspiration ideas. Step into a world of timeless elegance, intricate details and old world charm with Victorian aesthetic home decor inspired by the beautiful interiors of the Victorian era. This decorating style brings together ornate furniture, rich colors, luxurious fabrics, floral patterns, antique accessories, and elegant lighting. Whether you love grand traditional interiors or a cozy vintage cottage atmosphere, Victorian decor can transform an ordinary home into a warm and sophisticated space filled with character and nostalgia. Let's see the video. Victorian aesthetic home decor is an elegant, ornate interior style inspired by the homes and decorative arts of the Victorian era. It is known for its rich color, detailed furniture, decorative patterns, antique accents, and a sense of old world elegance. Main features of Victorian decor: ornate furniture, carved wooden tables, decorative cabinets, curved chairs, and upholstered sofas are common. Uses rich color like deep burgundy, forest green, navy, palm, cream, and warm brown create a dramatic atmosphere. Use elegant fabrics like velvet, lace, brocade, embroidered textiles, and patterned curtains add richness. Decorative walls, wallpaper with floral damask or intricate patterns is especially characteristic. Use antique accessories like vintage clocks, porcelain pieces, framed artwork, brass objects, mirrors, and decorative boxes work beautifully. Statement lighting like candelights, ornate lamps, and candle-style lighting provide a warm, sophisticated feeling. Detailed woodwork, dark wood furniture, carved moldings, decorative doors, and intricate trim help create the classic Victorian character. Layered styling, Victorian rooms often combine several patterns, textures, and decorative objects rather than following a minimalist approach. Victorian cottage feeling. If you prefer a softer, more cozy look, you can combine Victorian elements with cottage or vintage decor. Think floral curtains, antique-looking furniture, lace details, fresh or dried flowers, embroidered cushions, and warm wooden pieces. This creates a romantic Victorian cottage atmosphere without making the room feel too formal. Overall, Victorian decor is about elegance, craftsmanship, richness, and nostalgic old world charm, making it a great style for anyone who loves antique and vintage inspired interiors. Victorian aesthetic home decor is about creating a home that feels elegant, romantic, detailed, and timeless, rather than relying on a few simple decorations. This style uses furniture, textiles, artwork, lighting, and accessories together to create a richly layered interior. Here are some tips for this style. Use Victorian furniture. Furniture often becomes the focal point of the room. Look for pieces with carved wooden details, curved legs, decorative backs, and upholstered surfaces. A vintage-looking sofa, wooden dressers, side tables, or display cabinet can immediately add Victorian character. Use floral and botanical patterns. Floral designs are especially suitable for this aesthetic. Use flower-patterned wallpaper, curtains, cushions, tablecloths, or upholstery to introduce a romantic and traditional feeling. Use rich but warm colors. Classic Victorian interiors often feature deeper shades such as burgundy, emerald, or forest green, navy, palm, brown, and antique gold. For a lighter version, combine this with cream, ivory, beige, or dusty rose. Use elegant lighting. Lighting should feel warm and decorative. Use candeliers, vintage-style table lamps, wall sconces, and candle-inspired lights can create the soft atmosphere associated with traditional Victorian interiors. Artwork and wall decoration. Walls can be decorated with ornate mirrors, botanical prints, traditional paintings, vintage-style portraits, and decorative frames. Arranging several smaller artworks together can create an attractive gallery wall effect. Mirrors and metallic details. Large decorative mirrors with ornate frames can make a Victorian room feel more luxurious. Brass, bronze, and antique gold details can be added through lamps, picture frames, handles, clocks, and small accessories. Use layered textiles. Victorian rooms often have plenty of texture. Combine velvet, lace, embroidered fabrics, patterned cotton, and wooden materials through curtains, cushions, rugs, table genres, and upholstery. Decorative accessories. Small details make a big difference. Use vintage clocks, porcelain vases, ceramic dishes, flower arrangements, books, decorative boxes, and antique-inspired objects can give shelves and tables a collected appearance. Victorian cottage style. For a softer and more approachable version, mix Victorian elements with cottagecore or English country influences. Use floral fabrics, lighter colors, wooden furniture, lace curtains, fresh flowers, and vintage accessories to create a cozy Victorian cottage atmosphere. The key to the style. The goal is not simply to fill a room with antiques. The most successful Victorian-inspired interiors balance ornamentation with comfort. Choose a few beautiful statement pieces and surround them with complementary colors, patterns, textures, and vintage details. Victorian decor can be adapted to different rooms and lifestyle. You don't need a historically perfect Victorian house. You can simply borrow its elegant details, romantic atmosphere, and vintage character. First, Victorian living room. A Victorian-inspired living room can feature a traditional upholstered sofa, carved wooden furniture, patterned cushions, a decorative rug, and an ornate mirror. A small gallery of vintage-style artwork can make the walls feel more personal. Next, Victorian bedroom. For the bedroom, choose a wooden or metal bed with an elegant frame, layered bedding, floral fabrics, and a soft curtains. A vintage bedside table, decorative lamp, and framed botanical artwork can complete the look. Next, Victorian dining room. A traditional wooden dining table paired with detailed chairs creates a strong Victorian foundation. Add a decorative centerpiece, elegant table linens, vintage-style crockery, and a beautiful wall mirror for extra character. Next, Victorian kitchen. Victorian-inspired kitchens can combine practical features with traditional charm. Consider wooden cabinets, glass front cupboards, brass-style handles, patterned curtains, ceramic dishes, and open shelves. Display attractive vintage-inspired pieces. Flowers and greenery. Flowers are an easy way to soften Victorian interiors. Use roses, hydrangeas, lavender, and other traditional-looking arrangements can be displayed in ceramic, glass, or vintage-style vases. Books and collected objects. Bookshelves are particularly useful for creating an old-world atmosphere. Arrange books alongside small vases, clocks, framed artwork, porcelain pieces, and other decorative objects to create a collected over time appearance. Dark wood and natural materials. Wood plays an important role in traditional Victorian-inspired spaces. Dark or medium-toned wooden furniture, wooden frames, cabinets, and tables can provide warmth and visual depth. Next, vintage details. A few carefully selected vintage-style objects can make a room feel much more authentic. Think of ornate clocks, decorative picture frames, old-fashioned lamps, porcelain collections, and traditional mirrors. Curtains can become an important decorative feature. Floor-length curtains in floral, damask, velvet-like, or embroidered fabrics can give windows a more traditional appearance. Balance is important because Victorian style can be quite decorative. Avoid making every surface equally busy. Combine ornate features with simpler furniture and open space so the room remains comfortable rather than overwhelming. The best Victorian aesthetic combines history-inspired elegance with everyday comfort. Rich colors, beautiful fabrics, antique-looking accessories, detailed furniture, warm lighting, and floral patterns can work together to create a home that feels romantic, nostalgic, sophisticated, and welcoming. Let's architectural details. Traditional Victorian interiors often feature decorative moldings, ceiling trim, paneling, curved doors, and detailed fireplaces. In a modern home, you can recreate the feeling with decorative wall molding, picture rails, or elegant trim. Victorian inspired fireplace. A fireplace can become a beautiful focal point. Choose a traditional looking mantel, decorative mirrors, framed artwork, candles, or small vases to create an elegant arrangement. Use ornate mirrors. Large mirrors with decorative frames can add both elegance and visual depth. Use gold, bronze, dark oak, or antique style frames work particularly well. Decorative storage. Instead of throwing everything away, Victorian inspired rooms can display beautiful objects. Glass front cabinets, wooden hatches, bookcases, and vintage style cupboards are useful while also contributing to the decor. Warm and cozy corners. Create small reading or relaxing areas with an armchair, side table, floor lamp, books, and a soft draw. This gives the room the comfortable atmosphere often associated with traditional homes. Next, wallpaper. Wallpaper can dramatically change the character of a room. Use damask, floral, botanical, and repeating traditional patterns are excellent choices. If full wallpaper feels too strong, use it on on-feature wall. Use romantic floral arrangement plus flowers in different areas rather than using one large arrangement. A small vase on a side table, dried flowers on a shelf, or a floral centerpiece on a dining table can add subtle Victorian charm. Rugs and floor coverings. Patterned rugs help make the room feel warm and layered. Use traditional floral, Persian inspired, or muted geometric patterns can complement Victorian furniture beautifully. Create a gallery wall using different sizes of traditional looking frames. Combine botanical illustrations, landscapes, decorative prints, and vintage inspired artwork while keeping the overall color palette coordinated. Display cabinets and hatches. A Victorian inspired hutch or display cabinet can showcase ceramics, glassware, books, teacups, and decorative collectibles. This is especially effective in dining rooms, living rooms, or kitchens. Victorian meets cottagecore. If you enjoy a softer, vintage atmosphere, combine Victorian details with cottage-style elements, such as floral fabrics, wicker baskets, handmade textiles, wooden furniture, fresh flowers, and soft neutral colors. The result feels less formal and more cozy. Let's modern Victorian. You can also create a modern version by keeping the ornate details but simplifying the room. For example, use an antique style mirror, a traditional wooden table, and a patterned rug, while keeping the remaining furniture relatively simple. The beauty of Victorian-inspired decorating is that you can choose how dramatic you want it to be, from a grand, richly decorated interior to a soft and cozy Victorian cottage style. Create a sense of history. Victorian-inspired rooms often feel as though they have a story behind them. Display vintage-style clocks, old-looking books, framed artwork, inherited-looking furniture, and decorative gift sets to create that collected atmosphere. Add an accent chair. An ornate armchair placed beside a window, bookshelf, or small table can create a charming reading corner. Upholstery with floral or traditional patterns work particularly well. Incorporate antique-looking accessories. Small accessories such as decorative trunks, ceramic containers, brass-style trays, old-fashioned frames, and traditional vases can add character without requiring major changes to the room. Make it comfortable. Although Victorian decor can look elaborate, comfort is still important. Add soft cushions, throws, comfortable seating, rugs, and practical storage so the room feels lived in rather than like a museum. Don't over-decorate. A common mistake is trying to put Victorian details everywhere. Instead, choose a few strong elements such as an ornate mirror, patterned wallpaper, antique-style cabinet, or statement light, and let them stand out. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.